Imagine managing a network of vehicles with countless drivers, maintenance schedules, and logistical challenges, and realizing there's a smarter way to handle it all. Our AI for Fleet Managers courses show you how artificial intelligence can transform your daily operations by automating tasks like scheduling, route planning, and data analysis. Instead of getting bogged down by repetitive work, you can focus on making strategic decisions that drive real results. This training gives you access to practical, actionable lessons that are tailored to your needs. You'll discover AI tools designed specifically for fleet management, uncover thousands of pre-crafted prompts for everyday scenarios, and tap into insights that help you predict maintenance needs and optimize routes with precision. The course content is continually updated, ensuring you always have the latest strategies and applications to stay ahead. Beyond the immediate benefits of increased efficiency, this program empowers you to future-proof your skills. With the certainty that technology is constantly advancing, you gain the mastery to not only keep up, but drive progress within your organization. And with most of our courses, including certifications, you get the chance to boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. By letting AI handle the routine tasks, you reclaim valuable time to focus on strategic planning and building relationships that matter. Find all AI for Fleet Managers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and start turning your day-to-day challenges into innovative solutions.